Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting episode here on Sir Boat's Yacht. Today, we're diving into the world of the Shining Star, a standout vessel that's been turning heads on the water. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or just someone who loves the idea of a luxurious ride across the waves, this review is for you. So, grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's explore what makes the Shining Star a true gem on the high seas. Let's start with the key features that set the Shining Star apart from the crowd. This ferry, part of the iconic Star Ferry fleet in Hong Kong, is designed with both functionality and flair in mind. One of its standout elements is the dual-deck layout, offering ample space for passengers to enjoy the journey. The upper deck provides an open-air experience with unobstructed views of the stunning Hong Kong skyline, while the lower deck offers a sheltered area for those seeking a bit more comfort during inclement weather. The vessel is equipped with modern navigation systems, ensuring safe and reliable travel across the busy waters between Hong Kong Island and Kowloon. Life rings line the sides, a practical safety feature that also adds to the boat's classic maritime aesthetic. For those who appreciate a bit of tech, the Shining Star uses a diesel-electric propulsion system, which balances power with efficiency, a detail that might appeal to the mechanically inclined among you. It's a boat that blends tradition with just enough innovation to keep things interesting. Moving on to the design, the Shining Star is a visual treat that captures the spirit of Hong Kong's maritime heritage. Painted in a bold red hue, the ferry's exterior is accented with vibrant yellow, green, and blue stripes that give it a playful yet striking appearance. These colors aren't just for show, they reflect the lively culture of the city it serves. The structure itself follows a classic double-ended ferry design, meaning it can move forward or backward without turning around, a clever feature for navigating the busy ferry terminals efficiently. The two tall masts, painted red with white flags fluttering at the top, add a touch of elegance and serve as a nod to traditional seafaring vessels. The hull is reinforced to handle the choppy waters of Victoria Harbour, ensuring durability without sacrificing style. For the average viewer, think of it as a floating piece of art that's built to last, combining beauty with a rugged seaworthiness that's hard to ignore. Now, let's step inside and take a look at the interior features of the Shining Star. While this ferry prioritizes passenger capacity over luxury, it still offers a comfortable and practical space for its daily commuters and tourists alike. The lower deck is fitted with rows of wooden benches, providing seating for over 700 passengers depending on the configuration, a testament to its role as a workhorse of the harbor. Large windows wrap around the cabin, flooding the space with natural light and offering panoramic views of the cityscape, which is a treat for anyone on board. The interior is kept simple, with overhead lighting and basic amenities like handrails for stability during the ride. There's also a small area near the entrance for crew members to manage tickets and assist passengers, keeping everything organized. For those who might wonder about the lack of plush seating or fancy decor, it's worth noting that the Shining Star is designed for efficiency and high traffic, not a private yacht experience. Still, the open layout and clear sightlines make it feel welcoming, even on a crowded day. When it comes to performance aspects, the Shining Star doesn't disappoint, especially considering its purpose as a commuter vessel. Powered by a diesel-electric system, it delivers a reliable 1,200 horsepower, allowing it to cruise at a steady speed of about 12 to 14 knots, roughly 14 to 16 miles per hour for those not used to nautical terms. This speed is perfect for the short but frequent trips across Victoria Harbour, which take around 8 to 10 minutes depending on traffic and weather conditions. The ferry's double-ended design eliminates the need to turn around at each terminal, reducing turnaround time and keeping schedules tight. It's built to handle the harbor's currents and occasional rough seas, with a hull designed for stability rather than speed racing. For the tech enthusiasts, the propulsion system includes two main engines paired with electric motors, offering a smooth and consistent performance that's easy on fuel, a practical choice for a vessel making dozens of trips daily. For the everyday viewer, think of it as a dependable workhorse that gets you where you need to go without any fuss. Finally, let's talk about the unique selling points that make the Shining Star a must-experience vessel. One of its biggest draws is its historical significance as part of the Star Ferry fleet, which has been operating since 1888 and is considered a cultural icon of Hong Kong. Riding the Shining Star feels like stepping into a piece of living history, especially with its classic design preserved amidst the modern skyline. The affordable fare, around $2 HK7 to 3.7 depending on the route and time of day, makes it accessible to everyone, from locals rushing to work to tourists seeking an authentic experience. The ferry's route offers some of the best views of Hong Kong's iconic landmarks, like the skyline, the harbour, and even a glimpse of Victoria Peak on a clear day, turning a simple commute into a scenic adventure.
Another unique aspect is its role in the community, serving over 70,000 passengers daily and symbolizing the connection between Hong Kong Island and Kowloon.
For those who love a good story, the Shining Star's vibrant paint job and frequent service make it a floating ambassador of the city's spirit, a feature you won't find on any ordinary boat. As we wrap up this journey through the Shining Star, it's clear this ferry is more than just a mode of transport. It's a blend of history, practicality, and charm. Whether you're drawn to its eye-catching design, its efficient performance, or the unbeatable views it offers, there's something here for everyone. If you've ever ridden the Shining Star or plan to, drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Did the experience live up to the hype? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an episode of Sir Boats Yacht, where we bring you the best of the boating world. Until next time, keep exploring the waves, and I'll see you on the water.